Guys, we got us another sexy Hellcat. There it is. Look at this beast. Beautiful car. Let me show you guys what we've done on this thing. Factory converter, factory X pipe, all 3-inch. Then we put some angry housewives. Because, you know, why not? A set of them right there. Here's the part number by Black Widow. There'll be a link in the description for them. Then we left the valves right there. But he's got defowlers on them where they keep them open. Right there. That's why they're so much bigger, as you guys can see. And then factory rears there, and factory tips. He's going to try it out just like this for now and see how he likes it. If it's not loud enough, he'll bring it back and we'll change it out for him. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Here we go, guys. Hellcat with angry housewives. Let's go. It's a good start. Nice idle. Here's the idle on it. Right at 80. Go ahead. That's perfect. That's what it's supposed to sound like. Wow. 123. What is that? Sound decibels? One more. High. I like that. That's clean. Wow. No rasp, just clean sounding. It complements it really nice. Again. Right at 112. Whew. I like the hood too. That's clean. Nice wrap on it. One more. It's so loud.
Did you guys hear it on the inside? Oh.
I love the wine. Let you guys hear on the inside. Nothing beats a Hellcat, baby. That was amazing. Enjoy, guys. Yeah, baby. Hemi mode. Damn! Hellcat Hemi. Enjoy, guys. Beast mode. Oh God. Wow.